Hi all. So now let's understand how we can do Python installation in our machine. So to do Python installation on your local laptop, you have to go to this particular URL, which is https://python.org/downloads. As soon as you come to this particular URL, you can see various options available to you. Now what you have to do here, if you are using Linux or Mac OS and any other system, then you have to go for the specific operating system. Currently I am using Windows machines, so that is the latest version for Windows. So we have to download Python 3.9.2, which is the latest version of Windows. So let's just click it. As soon as you are going to click it, you can see that some installation is going to happen on your local machine. Now after this finishes, you have to just open it, and the moment you are going to open up, you will see this installation screen will pop. Now after having this installation screen popped up, you have to set the path where you have to install your Python, and this is the folder I have installation. I have did the Python installation, or I'm going to do Python installation. Just you have to click install now. The moment you click it, you'll see the installation process will begin. It will take little time, maybe just 10-15 seconds or so, and post that you will be routed to the next screen. So it is getting installed. Let's see. Okay, so installation is going on, and this installation is happening in the background, where you could have seen that we have set up one path. If you want to change that path, you can also do that from the same installation screen. But recommendations are not to change that. Let it go as it is, as we are beginners. Once you get some expertise, you will be able to modify the things. Now after the installation, you can see that successful setup message has appeared that says that Python installation has been done. Okay, so you can close it, and you are good to go with the Python things. Yeah, thank you.